Hi, welcome to Simply Scuba. The Seac Warmdry Drysuit is a 4mm condensed neoprene dry suit, but the way they've condensed the neoprene, they've actually made it a lot lighter than a comparable neoprene dry suit that's also made of 4mm of neoprene. If we start at the top of the suit, it has a neoprene neck seal, which as you roll it over, creates a nice glide skin dry seal around your neck, stops the water from flowing in and out. Bit nicer than your standard silicone, as it tends to spread the pressure over a larger area across your neck, as opposed to in just one area. It's spread over on this nice soft neoprene. The shoulders are reinforced, so when you're wearing your BCD, the shoulder straps, they're not going to wear against this material. It's designed to put up against that. If we move down the arms, the elbow sections as well have that reinforced section, again just for the usual wear and tear around the joints. And each cuff seal uses neoprene glide skin dry seals as well, so that stops all water from flowing in and out of your suit, so you're nice and dry on the inside. The chest valve are Seac's sort of Cytec inflation valve, which uses a simple pinch mechanism, and that just inflates your dry suit from the dry suit hose included. Over your left-hand shoulder, you have a Cytec dump valve, which is an automatic dump valve, so you can dial it in and you can dial it out depending on how much air you want to release in that shoulder dump. Or in emergency, you can punch it, just push it, and that will make it vent automatically. Further down the suit, on the right-hand thigh, you have a nice large bellowed thigh pocket. And inside that, below the velcroed opening, you have a little D-loop, so you can attach your lanyards for your torch or your knives or whatever you need. And you've just got a nice big amount of space in there for your SMBs, your reels, your torch, your backup mask, whatever you need to carry with you. Down the knees, you have reinforced embossed sections here. Again, just to protect against the usual wear and tear when you're kneeling down, putting your kit on, setting it up when you're actually in the water. This material here is abrasion resistant, so it's not going to rub and tear as standard neoprene would. Moving down to the ankles, they have semi-flexible, semi-rigid boots. All of this section here is nice and fully flexible, so any kind of fin kick that you want, it's not going to provide any resistance against that, so it's very nice and flexible. The boot itself is flexible, again, just so that it makes it a bit more comfortable. And the bottom section here is this little grippy section on the back, just to give you added protection, added grip on the boat. If we have a look at the inside of the suit, the dry zip, standard brass dry zip across your back. And then the inside of the suit is nice and brightly coloured, so you can see what you're doing, you can see where you're putting your legs. And then down at the waist, you have your elasticated braces, just to keep it up when you're not wearing it, you're just walking around the dive site. We have a look at the seat. The seat itself has this PVC patterned here as well, which just adds extra grip when you're seated. If you're sat down on a rib or on a wet bench, that's just going to add added grip, so you don't slip around quite so much. Very, very nice 4mm condensed neoprene dry suit, and that's the Seac Warmdry Drysuit.